Want weekly crypto trade signals that save time and reduce guesswork? The crypto code was designed for that exact purpose. Each week, their system scans the crypto market using proven strategies to find potential buy and sell points. Instead of relying on hype or random tips, you get alerts based on real data. The best part, these signals are easy to read and understand, even if you're new to crypto. They point out where opportunities may exist and when it might be the best to take action. No more scrolling through endless charts or watching prices all day. The alerts do the heavy lifting, so you can focus on making smart moves. Want to try it out? Use my link in the description and start receiving weekly crypto trade signals with the crypto code today.